I used to think that I could not go on, and life was nothing but an awful song.
Hey guys, do you ever wish that you could just do something with your friends at the last minute without all the overhead of getting into a group message and some people are on iPhone and you're on Android and the message go all over the place? Well, our app solves that problem. If you want to go eat at Warren Towers in 20 minutes, you just put a status up on our app and it'll help you find friends, unlike Dimitri. Hopefully we're going to help him. In the meantime, we're going to show you how it works, and maybe we'll get a nice outcome for our friend Dimitri.
Let me walk you guys through the app. You first open RainCheck. You have the option of logging in or registering an account if you don't have one. You see, we have to put in our name, email, password, and phone number. This communicates to the server when you click register. Coco, and then we can log in. Our app also has a horizontal layout, so all we have to do is flip the app over, and automatically goes into the horizontal mode. So now let's say we want to make a status. What do? We hit the what's up text notification, or text editor, and once we have here, we can type in, let's say, eat at GSU. And then we use %sign to symbolize the time amount in 20 minutes. So what this does, it says, in 20 minutes, I will be eating at GSU, and it notifies all my friends that I will be in the GSU so they can come join me. And then I click create. So let's say you want to see all your pending friend requests. What you can do is hit the refresh button up top, and now you can scroll over to the friend requests or your friends, and all pending friend requests will be shown. You can hit accept or decline. So let's hit accept. So what's the back end behind our app? Our app uses a PHP REST API, which after several hours of research, we found this is what most apps today use. What a PHP REST API does is the app sends a request, and the PHP REST API sends back anything from the database that it retrieves in the JSON format. JSON is pretty much just a fancy way of putting data into a nice lightweight format so that it's easy to transfer and encryptable easily. So our app, let's say we want to log in, we send a request to the PHP REST API with a tag that says login and the login information. It checks that in the server whether the user exists and if his information is correct. If that's correct, it sends back a JSON string formatted with all his data to our app. Our app then takes that and adds it to the SQLite database, which every Android phone is pre-installed with. So if we want to display something, we have to call it from the SQLite database within the phone to display it on the app.
How about we check back into Dimitri and see if he's figured out his friend situation? I have a feeling that RainCheck really helped him out.